How to import CSV file in Jira. So log into your account and then go ahead into this search bar over here. But you can make sure your fields are separated by commas, text with commas or new lines, that is placed inside quotation marks. Anyways, in your search bar, go ahead to view all work items and then you will be able to find all of your work. So there you can choose to import by going to here, which is this triple dot button in the top right corner. It's going to be the more actions, and then you will see import work items from CSV. So you're gonna have to select the external system to import or import data, then choose CSV as the import source, upload your CSV file, and then just go ahead and click on next. But follow up with that process and then select the or space where the issues should be imported, and then you can map each CSV column to the correct Jira field. That's pretty much one way you can do this. Hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.